Hi guys, today we're looking at finding the general term of a quadratic sequence. Okay, let's look at an example. So find Tn, the nth term for the following quadratic sequence: 13, 17, 29 and 49. Now the first thing we have to remember is when we have a quadratic sequence, your general term will be in the form of an squared plus bn plus c, where a, b and c are the values that you need to find. Okay, let's find a first. Step 1, find the second difference. Our second difference between the terms, as we can see here, is 8. Step 2, we find the value of a. The second difference is equal to 2a, which is equal to 8. Therefore, a is equal to 4. Please remember that 2 times a is always equal to the second difference. Therefore, a is the second difference divided by 2. So a in our case is equal to 4. Step 3. We use our general term Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c to form two equations. To form our first equation, we will substitute in our value of 13 when n is equal to 1. This gives us T1, our first value, equals 4 times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. All equal to 13. This gives us 4 plus b plus c equals our first value, 13. Bringing numbers to one side of the equation, and we get b plus c equals 13 minus 4. b plus c is equal to 9. We now form a second equation using the second value in our sequence. Our second value in our sequence equals 4 times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c equals our second value of 17. Let's multiply this out, and we get 16 plus 2b plus c equals 17. We'll now bring our numbers to one side of the equation. Moving 16 to the other side gives us 2b plus c equals 1. We've now formed two equations that have the same two unknowns b and c. To find the values of b and c, we must solve these equations simultaneously. To solve equations simultaneously, we write both equations underneath each other. b plus c equals 9, 2b plus c equals 1. We check to see whether the number in front of the b or the c is the same. Here we can see that the value in front of the c's is the same. So to cancel out these terms, I will multiply my second term by minus 1. This makes each term in my second equation a minus. And now solve for your remainder. b minus 2b equals minus b. Our c's cancel. 9 minus 1 equals 8. To solve for b, I divide both sides by minus 1 and I get b equals minus 8. I have now found my value for b and I have to find my corresponding value for c by substituting b equals minus 8 into my original equation, b plus c equals 9. So b plus c equals 9. Substituting in my value for b, and I get minus 8 plus c equals 9. To solve for c, I will add 8 to both sides of my equation, and I'm left with c equals 9 plus 8, which is 17. I have now found my value for a, my value for b, and my value for c, and I substitute these into my general term for a quadratic sequence. My general term for my quadratic sequence, Tn, is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Substituting my values in gives me Tn equals 4n squared minus 8n plus 17. Please pause this video and take down this example.